Welcome to our nail art tutorial where we will show you how to create a beautiful and trendy nail design using a simple color palette. In this 3-minute video we will guide you through the 3 unique nail designs using the color combination. First lime and rose, second dark gray and shining star black, brown colorful nails, dark red, white red and aqua design. Let's start with the fresh and vibrant look. Apply lime, rose and nail polish to create a charming contrast. Dark gray and shining star black nails. Next, for a touch of sophistication, we will use dark gray as a base and add some shining star black accent for a celestial vibe. Brown and colorful nails with dark red, white, red and aqua. Finally, let's get creative with brown nails and colorful accent in dark red, white, red and aqua. These nails are sure to turn heads. Follow along as we walk you through each step to achieve this fabulous nail design. It's easier than you think. With just a few simple steps, you can have stunning nails that match any occasion. Whether you are a beginner or a nail art pro, these designs are perfect for you. So are you ready to elevate your nail game? Watch till full tutorial and get ready to flaunt your stylish nails. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more nail art inspiration. Stay fabulous.